anything dahil ganyan sa maling oras na itong panahon ito. Okay guys.
Sir. How's your love life? How's your love life, sir?
Oh.
May I know? It's none of your business.
Okay, sir.
No more question. First, I will introduce myself.
Yes.
I am... What are you? I am your...
Bro.
Sorry.
Sir. Sir, this Friday.
Mga students!
My name is John Robert Hennessy. And I am your...
Sir, I thought you are Johnny Walker. I know.
Johnny Walker. I don't like or I don't want walking.
You are not walking anywhere.
This is
Uy, nag-vlog man! Uy, nag-vlog na!
Tayo dyan.
Ay, gabi ha?
yeah. Alright guys, let's go back to our discussion for today.
Sir.
You.
Can you turn on the fan over there?
Let me introduce you myself and I am your summit
Are you a single? Are you a single, sir?
no, it's complicated.
I complicated.
Hello, oh my God!
Alright guys, I want you, ano ba?
Sir, we are not in a modern world, so you need to use the microphone.
I'm sorry. So guys, for today's discussion or today's first, ano ba aking?
Yan yung challenge sa'yo, bro. Diba?
No more question please. I don't want to hear any question.
Okay, just go ahead, sir.
Come here.
Permission to speak, sir.
Come here. Just stand. Wala kang dalawang oras. Wait na. Tumayo kang dalawang oras.
Sir, is it a pabida-bida student?
Sa pagpindaw
Sa pabida-bida.
Ay, kakali, magpatantang, napatantang naman.
Sir, can you discuss your lesson right away?
You, I saw. Walking in, magkakaloy kaya.
Nasa beach lang, nasa beach.
Sir, English only. English only.
English only. Sir, my mistake because I am your science teacher.
What is science?
Science is... Wala!
Sir!
Wala!
Ay, wala.
Ay,
Wala! Sino kayo? Sino kayo sa anak ko napadpad?
Sumod ka ng gobyerno, ba't nagdadala ka?
Kasama yung teacher nga, wala akong sasabihin eh. Sino kayo? Wala akong malalay. Wala akong malala. Nabagok ako, nabagok eh.
Ano yan? Sir, nagtanong lang about the science, nabagok na.
Nabagok eh, nadulas.
Ay, come over.
By the way, where is the substitute sir?
Ay, bumalik na yung ano mo. Teacher na.
Based on biology, scientifically, spatially, what do you know about your life? What's your plan about your life? You. Do you have any plan of your life? Next question.
Sir!
isang mama na ginagbatay.
There's some branches of science, sir.
Isang mga anak na rin.
Science is
Hey, science!
Yeah.
Sino kayo?
Yan ay mama na nagbantay. Ah. Pero mama ba nagbantay? Ito na chill.
Sorry. Nandiyan yung papa ni Divine, no? Ano siya? Divine Mercy.
Mama ni... Mama o naman.
Mama ni Mama Mary. Hala!
Science is the systematic structure of
Ay, wala. Wala. Google na.
Sir.
Google na.
Wow, ang dali lang.
Isang sisig, isang pampalawin. Isang sisig, tapos isang pampalawin. Isang sisig na pampalawin. Propek. Propek. Tapos, ano yung sa inyo? Anong order mo? So, ano? KFC daw.
Keep
Tapos ano, crispy, king. Crispy king, isa lang.
Okay, kaya na.
Ayan, sa pula sa puti! Sino kong tatayo? Ay, kala ko nagtutupada ka. Kala sabi ko sa tatayo ako sa pula eh. Kala ko nagtutupada kayo. Yan si Sir.
Hey, ka muna, eh!
Ayan. Oh, itaas ang kamot sa mga patalon-patalon, kang isip. O yan, sinapatal ka. Hindi, patalon. Itaas sa mga kamot. Patalon-patalon. Oh.
Sir, can you share with us together how this going? Ay, parang biglang iyak si Sir. Sir, sorry.
First day to school pa lang, binibigyan mo na ako ng impression na.
I don't mean to be.
Ano ba kayo? Hindi, bakit kami na pag-ibig na estudyante ko?
Sir, tanongin mo to sir.
Ano? Pula, puti, ano, pula, sa inyo, pula. Pula.
Hindi yung evaluators.
Ano na yun? Mga supervisor.
Then lagi tayo naging evaluator, observer.
Basta kung ginawa nito, kaya nga ni, so I am your science teacher. So I will discuss you and now is about philosophy.
Oh, philosophy is part of the
Philosophy! Get out of my class! I'm not talking about physics. I'm just talking about philosophy. Like this one. Oh. So that is for now. Let's have a recess. And so a light mind. Ano? Bakit ba ang mga mga estudyante ko nagkakapot? Dahil ko lang ginakapot. O para simbag. Tayo. Ano mo? Nakapag-isip ka na ba kung pula o puti?
Sir, wala kami natutunan sir. Sir, papasok yung report sir.
By the way, let me introduce you to our subject teacher, no? No other than Miss Angeli. Miss Angeli, come here.
Ang dili ko.
Don't be shy. It's normal. Don't be shy. Come here. Stop filming. It's not good for you. It's not good for us. Stop it right now, please. I want to end this conversation. Ano ba? Tignan niyo na ako.
Sir, go ahead. Your students are
Come here, Miss Angeli.
No.
I want you to... What? Translator. Oh, she's not a translator. She's a subject. Yeah. Come here. Don't be shy. It's normal.
Tatarot siya lang.
Oh!
Oh, mother.
You have a lot of experience in teaching, in some kind of...
She's a licensed teacher.
Wow! Please, a round of applause to teacher Oh my God. Please stand up. Stand up, ma'am.
Ma'am Rachel.
Please. Kasi umiyain siya kasi she live in a park. Sa park siya. Park na lumaki. Oh. Ano po ba ang tama ngayon?
English speaking.
Ay, sorry. Kasi, tatagal kasi ng pinagsamahan namin. No, estudyante pa ako. Nandito na siya. So, ayun, magkakausap kami kasi kubata, ay kubada. Ano kami? Please stop pointing the camera.
Sir, calling this that
I think,
Yes. That's 20 years. Wow. So he's not too old. He's too old for
it's I think that's very professional. Louder, isang sisig, isa ropek, ang tagal ha? Isang sisig, isang pork sisig ha?
Chicharong bulaklak.
Chicharong bulaklak, please, ang tagal ng pagluluto ha?
Sir, wait, wait, sir.
Calamares. Ang tagal ng order na kami. Yun lang, tropics, calamares,
Daw. Yay!
Sana marami na natutunan sa klase ko. No. Next, birthday ng class.